Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on sync contacts on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First click on your profile, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, now click privacy, and now click sync contacts and Facebook friends, and here just click like this and it will be turned on. And that's how to turn on sync contacts on your accounts on TikTok, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.